It's like having a palette of flavours to work with and manipulating those flavours, just as a chef might do with ingredients in his or her cooking. I'm the fourth generation of that family company, running a cooperage, a commercial cooperage aligned to the manufacture of premium wine barrels for the Australian wine industry and export countries as well. The many aspects that go into making a good wine barrel and the various oaks we use to create that barrel can all have a tangible influence on that winemaking procedure. And of course, how we influence that, the type of oak we use, the type of seasoning we apply to that oak, and then the cooperage techniques we apply to that oak can all have myriad effects. The production aspects of making a barrel in a commercial cooperage as opposed to an artisan cooperage is such that it is a process application. The barrel goes through 14 processes of manufacture. A lot of those prefabrication processes are heavily mechanised. We have a quality control process that follows every one of those processes until we get to what we call assemblage or fabrication of the barrel, where all the various components come together and the barrel is raised, ready for steaming, bending and subsequent closing down aspects. I think it was 1998, in fact. My father and I, at that stage, said, how can we modernise this cooperage past what was commonly available in the cooperage machinery industry? We had a chance meeting with some people from HOMAG, and I viewed the application of CNC technology in the panel machineries they had at that stage. A conversation ensued, and the rest is history. Total management of the business remains with the John family, and currently I have my eldest son Alexander working in the business with us here as well. I'm very, very sure that this business will remain in family hands for a long, long time. Where it goes after that next generation, well, I don't think I can control that from the grave, but certainly the work we put into the business at this point in time will dictate how far it goes into the future.